Hi everyone, I'm just going to take you through the basics of how you would relocate your PIN on Google Maps. You might get this if people are searching for your business and the PIN is in the wrong place. If your postcode is sending people to the wrong address or the wrong location using their sat nav, there's not a lot you can do about that apart from perhaps on your website describe exactly how to get to your location. But if it's a case that your PIN is wrong on Google Maps, there's several ways you can do this. What you can do, I'm just going to share my screen with you. Bear with me. Okay, so you should see this now. Basically, the simplest way to do it is to search for Google Maps in Google and click on the top link that comes up. And then you search for your business. So I'm going to search for my business, which is in sync. There we go. And so there's my business. Actually, it is quite right, but I'm going to take you through the process. So what I would do then is, if you notice on the left-hand side, when you found your business, assuming it's listed, then you can suggest an edit on the left-hand side, just there. Click on that, and it says you can either mark it as closed. Please don't do that. So click on the top one here, change name or location or hours, etc. And this will take you through the ability to suggest different categories, opening times, phone numbers, and everything, without any need for you to be logged in with authorization to edit your business. To update the map, you click on the middle there, update location on map. And then you can zoom in and out as you wish, and then literally drag the map around until you're exactly happy with where it's supposed to go. And then go done. And Google will email you and tell you whether they've accepted your edit. Basically, the owner of the page will be told that somebody's asked to move it. And we go done. And then send. So that should be done. If your place isn't on there at all, you can go onto the menu on the left-hand side, and there'll be options within there to add a missing place or add your business. Now, if you already have a Google My Business page, which I'll come on to more in a second, then when you do that search on Google Maps for your business and you pick it from a list, if I do it again, it's there, and suggest an edit. When you actually go in to change it, it will change your information. So it says edit your business info, because it recognizes, because I've got an account and I've already got access to this business page, I can go in and these will actually change it. So any updates I make here will actually change it. And that's because there is a Google My Business page that this account I'm using has access to. Google My Business is not really the subject of this very quick little video, but I'm going to show you quickly. If I go to Google My Business, just search in Google, and then Google Manage Your Business. Basically what you do then is click on Manage. And I'm just going to make sure I'm signed in on the right account at the top there. And it will say find your business name. If you haven't done it before, you add your business to Google. It takes you probably 10 minutes, and then you'll start appearing on Google Maps and on the side of Google searches. So I'll search for my business. It's there. And it says I already manage it, so I go continue. And then within here, you'll notice it's a lot more options than you saw if you were editing it using that method here. There's a lot more options. So within this, I can, for example, go into the info on the left-hand side and change all the information that you could have changed on that first screen, move the map around, change your opening hours, add more information, but you'll get a chance to put more details in there than you would do normally. Whilst you're in there updating this, have a look on the left-hand side at things like photographs. Make sure you've added a logo for your business, any internal, external photographs. Check your products and services that you can add as you go. You can even, within Google My Business, add posts. And when you add posts to it, this is what we've done, they actually appear within the Google search as well. So It's a little bit like social media, but it just gives you that bit of presence.